So import your video that you want to use. I'm just going to use a random video here. Let me use this one. And then I'm going to add a pro feature effect. Let's just use a pro feature effect. Let's just use this one. Then I'll add it to my video. So I've added the pro feature effect to my video. Let's see. My video is lagging. Okay. So the feature is added, as you can see. Let's try and export it. Oh wait, it's not a pro feature effect. But I've added a pro. Okay, it's not a pro feature. So sorry guys. So sorry. I thought it was a pro feature effect. Okay. Let me use a pro feature. I'll use this one. Okay. Let's add it to our video. There. So it's added, and if I try to export it, see? So I need a pro version of CapCut to be able to use this effect, and I'll show you how you can remove this. So the first thing, right click your video and create it as a component clip, and then right click again and pre-compose your video. Pre-composing basically means your video is being drafted behind, and that's where we are going to take it from. It's in a draft file. So this also works when you have multiple clips of layers involved. You just need to merge them as one. So once your pre-composing is done, we are going to close CapCut. This is a very crucial part. Close CapCut, open your file manager, and go to your drive or your PC, wherever your app data is saved. Go to and click on app data, local, and then CapCut, and then user data, and then I'm going to look for projects and then video draft. And as you can see, here are all the videos that I have drafted, and this is the video we are looking for. And then open resources and combination. So I want you to focus on this. Leave this alone. Focus on this. This is our video. So go back and open CapCut and just drag the video or import it in the same project that we were in. So I'm just going to drag this video and import it here. So as you can see, here's our video and it has the effects. So I'm going to delete this and add this to our timeline. So this is the video that was saved on the draft, and if we try and export it, you are able to now export it. So that's just how you do it.